It seems like the ongoing case cannot stop the mighty Ripple from forming allies from all around the world. The SEC may prolong the case, but they can't stop XRP. In today's video, we will be showing you the new partnership ties that Ripple has formed in the Middle East and how XRP will be used, how the prices are going to touch 10x from where it is right now. So this is going to be a major. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to enable all your notifications to our channel to keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP. Without further ado, let's dive in. Ripple, one of the leading blockchain-based remittance service providers, is expanding into the $78 billion Middle Eastern markets. According to a recent release, Ripple has teamed with People, a UAE-based remittance firm, to provide consumers with cross-border payments infrastructure that is cheaper, faster, and more secure. Ripple is interested in the MENA region, which spans the Middle East and North Africa. According to Ripple, the region is rapidly shifting toward digital solutions since it has one of the most innovative financial regulatory regimes in the world. Traditional remittance services, according to Ripple, are slow, expensive, and opaque, which might be disastrous for people in times of need. Many people rely on remittances to pay their rent and other necessities of life. Ripple has previously struggled to convince its partners to use XRP to source liquidity while promising near-instant settlements at minimal costs. Among the partners who have been hesitant to adopt XRP in the past, Santander, a prominent Spanish bank, has stated that the coin lacks the requisite liquidity in enough markets to meet their needs. The issue, according to Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, is not liquidity, but rather an ambiguity in the United States about whether or not XRP will be categorized as a security. People will ensure that the public has access to rapid, cheap, and secure remittances services for receiving or sending money from one location to another by leveraging ODL and XRP. People's wider ambition, according to Ripple, is to deliver services to 1 billion financially underprivileged mobile phone consumers in Africa and the United Arab Emirates. Despite its legal struggle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, Ripple has been able to grow at a rapid rate all over the world. Ripple has significantly improved its ties with big corporations like Japan's financial behemoth SBI Group this year. Ripple has been working around the globe, getting partnerships and hence proving that they aren't going down that easy. Back in 2018, the Ripple cryptocurrency XRP grabbed the world by storm when it overtook Bitcoin as the second most valuable cryptocurrency. Unfortunately, when Ethereum overtook it, the coin was unable to maintain its position. It's been on a continuous decline since then and hasn't been able to recover. XRP, on the other hand, provides a highly secure and quick means of making global transactions via the Ripple ledger. Ripple prices rose in 2021, but they had not yet achieved the late 2017 highs that set it apart from other digital assets. The price of Ethereum, for example, has continued to rise to new all-time highs, a record that XRP has yet to achieve. Will XRP follow the lead of Ethereum and rise to an ATH? And how long will it take? After the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple in November 2020, XRP's price increased later than most other cryptos in early 2021. As a result of the legal action, the price of XRP dropped from around 70 cents US to around 20 cents US. Based on two indicators, Sentiment, a blockchain analytics firm, predicts that the value of XRP would rise based on two signs. Sentiment adds that an increase in the number of addresses on the XRP network and the increase in social media mentions signal that XRP's value may climb. In the past, price hikes have frequently followed comparable divergences. With a market valuation of nearly $52 billion and a 7-day high of $1.16, XRP is the world's 7th largest cryptocurrency. During the week, the token has gained 1.75%. According to the blockchain analytics firm, Bitcoin's recent price rise to a new all-time high sparked address activity. Address activity is currently hovering around 1 million addresses on a reasonably regular basis, which is a good sign that addresses are still engaging with the BTC network on a regular enough level to support pricing. The mean dollar invested age of Bitcoin declined after the flagship cryptocurrency's all-time high, according to sentiment, demonstrating that the markets can and will persevere. The average age of all Bitcoins is calculated based on when they were purchased. In most previous bull runs, an extended decline in mean dollar age is a strong predictor that markets can and will prosper when previously inactive addresses ultimately begin to circulate large amounts of tokens. Don't you think Ripple will be an unstoppable force in the cryptoverse, if not from the litigation? With the so-called leash called the SEC wasn't there, wouldn't it surpass its all-time highs? Despite the fact that XRP is now in a consolidation phase, the coin has the potential to go 10x within this cycle. XRP to reach 10x in the current bull cycle, a trustworthy crypto analyst, Credible Crypto, a well-known crypto analyst, influencer, and investor, recently forecasted XRP's future price action. According to analysts, the XRP is presently undergoing consolidation and will be followed by an expansion, which could lead to the token approaching or surpassing its all-time high of $3.84. During the current bull cycle, he predicted that XRP would reach 10x, but as he pointed out, this won't happen until there are many consolidations and expansions. Analysts believe that once these consolidations and expansions are completed, XRP might increase tenfold. He predicted that the token would rise to $20 or $30 in value. It's worth noting that the XRP reached an all-time high in 2018 and hasn't been able to match that level since. Do you think that the XRP can do 10x in this bull cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Ripple pricing has failed to cross the $1.13 to $1.23 supply zone after 5 attempts and is now preparing for a retreat. The downswing, however, will encounter many support levels, including $1.05, $1, and the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 96 cents. The most pain for traders, according to market makers, would be if the XRP price fell below 85 cents. Many pundits have already declared Ripple successful, but there appears to be much more to come that will have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Do you think the SEC's XRP-related charges against Ripple Labs and its executives will be dropped? Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.